Hello guys, we are back with another interesting tutorial, and this time we are going to learn on how to reset root user password in MySQL. There might be a case when you might forgot the password for root user and you are unable to log in into MySQL shell. So in that case, you can't get access to your databases. Well, there is a way to reset your MySQL password, and let's see how we can do it. For this, I have written a blog post on how to reset root user password in MySQL. There are certain steps that we need to do. First is stop your MySQL process, then run MySQL process using these two options, that is skip grant tables and script networking. And then by running this process, then log into MySQL shell with the root user, then run flush privileges and then set the password for root with your new password. Then quit this shell and then stop this process and then restart your process the normal way, and then you can log into your MySQL shell using the new password. So let's try this. So I am already logged in on a Ubuntu machine on which MySQL is already installed. So as of now, MySQL is not running. Okay, MySQL is running now. Let's try to log in using the current password. The current password is new one, and we are able to log in. Okay, so the current password is this, that is new one, and we will be changing this to new password. For this, stop the current process. So currently there is no process running. So we have stopped it. Now we will be running this MySQL process using these two options. So let's go ahead and run it. So you need to run this either as MySQL user or maybe with the root. Okay, so the process has exited. It might have some issue. Let's go ahead and debug what's the error. So the error is could not create unique socket file. So let's see if this exists or not. Where run MySQL. So this doesn't exist, so we need to make this. If it doesn't exist, now let's go ahead and try to, oh just wait, I have created with root user, so the permission should be the directory should be owned by MySQL user. Okay, now it should start the process. Okay, now the process is running. Now the next step is we need to log into MySQL shell with root user. Okay, we are inside MySQL shell. Now we will do flush privileges and then we'll set the password. So let's set the password to current pass. Now exit, sorry, now we will be stopping these process so that we can restart the MySQL with the default process. Okay, now the MySQL process must be running. Okay, it's running now. Now we should be able to log into MySQL shell using the new password, current pass. Here we go, and we are able to log in with the new password. And here are our databases. So this is how we can actually reset the root user password in MySQL. So if you have forgotten your password, don't worry, here is a way to recover it. So hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep sharing.